How to switch your account to private account on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch your account to a private account on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Now this is my profile. Click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Click on privacy, and you have the first option, which is private account. Click on it and turn on switch to private, and your account will be a private account. This means your account's not gonna show up to everybody, and no one except your following can see your videos. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like.